Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate risk profiling with CNA, complete guide step by step clearly. First, begin by logging into your CNA account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your risk profiling tools. Locate the automation section in the risk management menu. Click on Automate Risk Profiling to start the setup process. Select the type of risk profile you want to automate. Choose from options like individual, corporate, or sector-specific profiles. Next, configure the parameters for your risk assessment. Set criteria based on factors like financial stability, market volatility, and compliance requirements. After defining the parameters, integrate data sources that will feed into your risk profiling. Connect your CNA data to other platforms such as CRM systems or financial databases. Once the data is integrated, establish your risk scoring model. Use templates provided by CNA or create a custom scoring model tailored to your needs. Next, test the automation setup with historical data to ensure accuracy. Run a simulation to observe how the system processes the data and outputs risk scores. Evaluate the results and make adjustments to your parameters as needed. Once satisfied, activate the automation for live usage. Monitor the automated risk profiling regularly for consistent performance. Finally, review the generated risk profiles periodically for any necessary updates. This completes your guide on automating risk profiling with CNA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.